In this tutorial, we'll learn how to do black smoky eyes, a super easy method. We're using brushes from Start Makers. They're very good for beginners. Please remember the brush numbers. Use brush number 1 to sharpen your lower eyebrow line. I'm using Maybelline concealer in the shade medium. Sharpen your upper eyebrow line. Apply on the eye. I'm covering the area that which is visible on the camera and disperse the concealer using brush number 2. We're using Faces Canada compact powder to settle the concealer. Pick this black eyeshadow from the Faces Secret palette and use brush number 3 to apply the eyeshadow on the eye. Do not cross your crease line. Apply the eyeshadow within the crease line only. Use brush number 4 and begin moving back and forth on the crease line. Doing this will get the traces of black eyeshadow on the crease area, and there is no application of eyeshadow involved to get the black smoky effect. You can just keep moving the brush back and forth. The same eyeshadow will appear in light shade on the crease area, and this way it is easier to achieve a black smoky eye. You can already see that it has appeared on the crease area, the smokiness. Reapply the black eyeshadow. Again, do not cross your crease line. Use brush number 4 and move the brush back and forth again to soften the hard crease line. The eyeshadow traces on the crease area also darkens. This is very easy way of achieving black smoky eye. You can use either of the two mentioned number 4 brushes to perform this step. You have to do this step for a considerable amount of time because it will take time for the black eyeshadow to appear on the crease area. And it is done. Apply concealer and clear the excess that has come out. I'm using a sponge applicator to do it. We are using Colossal Maybelline eyeliner. It is a minimal wing liner. This is Faces Canada Longwear Pencil Kajal. Apply the kajal on the waterline. Apply 3D. Swiss Beauty eyelashes, Vamp lashes. Press the lashes well so that they set well. This is Hypercurl Maybelline mascara. I'm applying this mascara on my lashes. Use this wet eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty palette to enhance brow bone. I'm using my last finger and it's done. Hit the subscribe button if you like the tutorial.